up? It's me, Prez, and welcome back to another episode of Improving Masculinity. Today we're going to break down one of the most fundamental moves in boxing, the jab.
It's been a long time since a nigga been locked up, and I ain't going back. I put that on my dick and nuts. Don't get it twisted, I'm always gonna be ratchet. I always got my whistle, I'm never out here lacking, nah.
The jab is a key move that can help you control the distance, set up combinations, and keep your opponents on their toes. Let's get started. First, let's talk about your fight stance. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Your dominant foot should be slightly behind your non-dominant foot. Keep your knees slightly bent and your weight balanced on the balls of your feet. Hands up to protect your face and elbows close to your body. This stance will give you stability and mobility, allowing you to move quickly and throw punches effectively. Next, let's focus on the guard. Your lead hand should be up near your face, ready to throw the jab. Your rear hand should be protecting your chin. Keep your elbows close to your body to protect your ribs. Now let's throw the jab. From your guard position, extend your lead hand straight out, aiming for your target. Keep your fist tight and your wrist straight. As you throw the jab, rotate your shoulder and your hips slightly forward. This adds power and reach to your punch. Notice how my shoulder comes up to protect my chin as I extend my arm. This is crucial for maintaining defense while attacking. After you make contact, quickly retract your hand back to the guard position. This ensures that you're ready to defend against any counterattacks. Practice throwing your jab smoothly and quickly. It's not just about power, speed and precision are key. Finally, let's talk about the footwork. As you throw the jab, take small steps forward with your lead foot. This helps you cover the distance and maintain balance. Always be ready to move. Boxing is as much about footwork as it is about punching. Keep practicing these steps until they become second nature. The jab is a versatile tool that can set up your entire game. So thanks for joining me today. And remember, mastering the basics is the foundation of becoming a great boxer. Keep practicing, stay focused, and you'll see improvements. Now don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Do all that stuff that this content creators ask you to do that you never do. And if you want to do something else for me, go ahead and hit this Cash App. Send me like $5 and say, hey, Prez, you're doing a great job. Keep up the good work. And until next time, holla back.